Hello. Welcome to Intellect Kids Classroom. Today, we're going to dive into the amazing world of robotics. Let's start the video. Do you know what is robotics? Have you ever wondered how robos work? Or how to build a robo on your own? Don't worry, let us first understand, what is robotics? Robotics is the study of creating machines, called robots, which can perform tasks for us. These robos can move from one place to another. They can talk like humans. They can sense things around them and even make decisions. Robos can be as simple as a toy that moves when you press a button, or as complex as a machine that helps doctors in hospitals. In robotics, kids can learn how to build and program the robots to do cool things, like making them follow a path, avoid obstacles, play music, or make them dance. Now, let's see how the robos work. Each robot is built with three important parts: sensors, motors, and a computer brain. Sensors are one of the important parts that help the robos to see, hear, or feel the things around them. Motors help the robot to move its arms, legs, or wheels. The computer brain, called microcontroller, tells the robot what to do by processing all the information from the sensors. Now, let's explore the various methods of learning about robotics. Learning robotics can be a lot of fun, and who knows, maybe one day, you'll create the next amazing robot. Here are various methods of learning about robotics. We will explore each one of them. Number 1. Robotics Kits for Kids. Purchasing a robotics kit for children is a great idea. Many beginner-friendly robotics kits are available that include simple instructions, enabling kids to construct their own robots. Few easily available robotics kits in the market are Lego Mindstorms and VEX Robotics Kit. You can also try some robotics coding kits from Sphero or Ozobot website that help kids learn how to program simple robots. Number 2. Enroll your kids in online courses and tutorials. Platforms like Tinker, Scratch, Create and Learn offer fun and interactive courses that teach kids the basics of robotics and coding. Check the video description for the course links. You can also learn by watching video tutorials on YouTube, follow along, and learn how to build and code robots. Number 3. Join a robotics club in your school or community. Many schools and community centers have robotics clubs, where kids can join a team, work on projects, and even participate in competitions like First Lego League. Number 4. Attend robotics workshops or camps. Attend summer camps dedicated to robotics, where kids can spend a week or more building robots, learning to code, and working on robotic projects. Number 5. Read books about robotics. Look for books that explain and introduce kids to the basics of robotics in a fun and engaging way, with simple projects to try at home. Number 6. Experiment and play. Many toys, like remote-controlled cars or programmable pets, can give kids an early taste of robotics. Encourage kids to dismantle and reassemble old toys with elderly supervision to see and learn how they work and function. Now, let us see some of the areas where robotics is used. Robotics is used in manufacturing industry, in healthcare industry to perform surgeries, robotics helps scientists in research and development, space explorations, oceanic explorations, agriculture, and many other industries. In conclusion, this video has covered the following topics. What is robotics? The parts of a robot. How do robos work? How to learn robotics. Uses of robotics. And also shared some courses and kits about learning robotics. That's all for now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment your ideas about robotics in the comments section.
Like, share, subscribe to our channel. Our channel's name is Interactive.